Teenagers are becoming millionaires overnight thanks to Web3. While most people are stuck in the old economy, Gen Z is cashing in on crypto, NFTs, and play-to-earn games, raking in life-changing money. The best part is you can do it too. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how young people are getting rich with Web3 and the steps you need to take to join the wave before it's too late. And so what are the 9 ways you can also become a Web3 millionaire as a kid or teenager? Before I delve into that, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Iyabo Yawale, and I'm the lead servant in House of Wisdom, and we run this channel as a way to empower the Gen Z. We call ourselves the Gen Z Nation because we cater strictly to the Gen Z on this channel, and we share millionaire maker tips for positive-minded and ambitious Gen Zs. And if you're one of them, you're gonna hit the subscribe button so that you can be updated on our Gen Z Millionaire Challenge, which is coming up in April. The beginning of April 2nd to April 9th, we're going to have the challenge on WhatsApp. And so you're going to hit the description link, the link to the challenge group in the description link. Go ahead and hit it to become a member of that challenge so you can partake. It's going to be a monthly challenge. And so every month we are going to have what we call the Gen Z Millionaire Challenge. And we are going to have mindset revamping sessions. We are going to have entrepreneurship training. We're going to have money skills transfer, basically empowerment that will enable you to become a Gen Z millionaire this year. That will enable us also to achieve our goal of raising 100 Gen Z millionaires in 2025. And so go ahead and hit the link in the description so that you can become a member of the Gen Z Millionaire Challenge group. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe link of this channel so that you can become a member of this community, this positive-minded community of people who are all trudging on the way to success. We would really love you to be a part of this community. And so hit the subscribe link for you to be a part of us. Okay. So let me start by saying Web3 is opening up new wealth building opportunities, and many young people are leveraging it to generate life-changing income. Here are some of the best ways you can cash in on Web3. Play-to-earn gaming, P2E gaming. Now, many kids are making money by playing blockchain-based games that reward players with crypto and NFTs. So how do you cash in? Top games include Axie Infinity, Gods Unchained, Illuvium, the Sandbox, and then you can also earn in-game assets and sell them for crypto, and then you can stream gameplay and monetize via Twitch or YouTube. Secondly, you can do what we call crypto trading and airdrops. Now, many young investors have turned small investments into big gains through crypto trading and early adoption of new tokens. So how do you cash in? Learn technical analysis and start trading, and also look for high potential undervalued crypto projects and then participate in airdrops. Example, Arbitrum, Starknet for free tokens. Also, number 3 way to cash in on the Web3 craze is to do what we call NFT flipping and digital collectibles. Now, NFTs have created millionaires, especially among the Gen Z. How do you cash in? Mint or buy NFTs early and sell at a profit, and also focus on gaming NFTs, profile picture, PFP collections, and utility-driven NFTs. And then you can also create and sell your own NFTs, like from art, music, and digital assets. Then number 4th way to profit from the Web3 craze is to do what we call smart contract development and Web3 coding. Now, Web3 developers are in huge demand, and even teenagers are landing 6-figure incomes. You heard me right. 6-figure salaries. No, how do you cash in? You have to learn Solidity. Solidity is Ethereum smart contracts, or Rust, which is Solana. And then you can build smart contracts, DeFi protocols, and NFT projects, and then get freelance Web3 jobs on platforms like Upwork or Gitcoin. The 5th way to become a Web3 millionaire is to do crypto staking and then yield farming and DeFi. You can actually earn passive income through DeFi, decentralized finance, because it's making people wealthy. How do you cash in? Stake crypto assets and earn passive rewards, and also use yield farming on platforms like AAVE, that's Aave, or Pancake Swap, and lend crypto in DeFi protocols for interest income. Now, the sixth way to become a Web3 millionaire as a Gen Z or teenager or kid is to do what we call Web3 content creation and influencer marketing. And then Web3 influencers and content creators are cashing in big. How do you cash in? Create a Twitter stroke X, YouTube or TikTok focused on Web3 news, NFT flips, and crypto trends. And then you can monetize via sponsorships, affiliate links, and premium content. You can also write Web3 focused blogs and earn in crypto. The seventh way to make money from Web3 as a kid or teenager or Gen Z is to do what we call DAO participation and governance rewards. Now, decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, pay contributors in crypto for participation. How do you cash in? Join DAOs focused on gaming, investing, or media, and then contribute to discussions, vote on governance proposals, and earn tokens. Now, the eighth way to make money from the Web3 craze is to do what we call Web3 affiliate marketing and referrals. Crypto projects pay big referral bonuses. And how do you cash in? Promote Web3 products, exchanges, and NFT platforms, and earn commissions through referrals and signups. So last but not the least is Web3 content creation. I know I mentioned it, but I want to go deeper here. So Web3 content creation is one of the easiest and most profitable ways for young people to make money online. With the rise of decentralized platforms, crypto native audiences, and brand sponsorships, creators are cashing in big, and that includes you if you get into it now. Here is how you can profit. Become a Web3 influencer by growing a following on YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter stroke X, by sharing crypto and NFT insights. Also monetize through sponsorships, brand deals, and affiliate links. You can also write and monetize content by starting a Substack or Medium blog and then writing for Web3 publications or earning through crypto native platforms like mirror.xyz. And you can also sell courses and ebooks, create and sell crypto stroke NFT guides, online courses, or paid webinars to teach others about Web3. You can also start a Web3 podcast by interviewing industry experts and earn through sponsorships, ad revenue, and Patreon memberships. You can also create and sell Web3 memes and viral content. Build a meme page or short form content brand on social media and charge for promotions. You can also manage Web3 social media accounts, get paid to grow and manage Twitter, Discord, or Telegram communities for crypto and NFT projects. With zero tech skills required, I mean zero tech skills required, all you need is creativity and consistency to start earning in Web3. Now, Web3 is creating massive opportunities for financial freedom. Whether you are into gaming, coding, content creation, or investing, there's a way to cash in. The key is to start early, stay informed, and take action. Now, which of these ideas are you going to begin with? Do let me know in the comments. And also hit the subscribe button to become a member of this community so you can be kept in the loop as regards our GenZ Millionaire Challenge as well as our GenZ Millionaire Series. In fact, there's a playlist on this channel. We call it the GenZ Millionaire Series. Go ahead and watch every video in that playlist to be empowered to become a GenZ millionaire in 2025. Also, don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs it. In fact, tag a fellow Gen Z right now so they can also benefit from the wealth of information on this channel. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. It means a lot to us in House of Wisdom. And also don't forget to watch our next video because I will see you in my next video.